Hello, welcome. So in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you around the Canva platform. I will walk you through the Canva platform, but I want to let you understand that based on the phone you are using, your interface might vary, but it's still the same functionality, meaning that where you are seeing these templates, design account may not really be the position it will be in your own phone, but wherever you find it, it's still the same functionality. So once you enter your Canva app, you can see at the top here the search bar. Here you can search for already pre-made templates. You can decide to search for Facebook posts. You can either type it in full, or you check from the suggested list, maybe Facebook cover, and it will bring out already pre-made templates of Facebook covers that you can edit for your own work. So this is for the search bar. So in front here you have the search bar. At the top right you will see this crown with a line under it. The crown has to do with premium services. If you want to upgrade your Canva, you can upgrade it, but the free service is very much fine. So now here we are at the templates interface. It shows you different kinds of templates, different kinds of things that you can do with Canva. You can create animated social media with Canva. You can create Instagram posts, just as they are all here. Instagram posts, logo, invitation, photo, collage, video, Instagram story, and a whole lot of them. So you can choose from these pre-made samples and start editing, or you go to templates to see already made templates. You can also decide to click on see all to see all of the category, all of the templates or samples under a particular category, like this Instagram post. Now if I click on see all, I will see all the possible templates under this category. So now after this, you see your designs. Your designs has to do with the designs you have already designed on Canva. They are all saved here. You can go back to them. Scratch. Then let's take a look at the tools that you have in creating designs from scratch. Now let's take, for example, I want to create this design from scratch. I will tap on it and automatically it will open. Now here you will see this plus sign, you will see this page sign. This means that you can either add a page here. When you tap this page sign here with 1, it means that you can either add a page and it becomes 2, or you can duplicate a page, it becomes 3, or you can delete a page and it's still 1. So this is a default white background. Now above here you have the arrow key pointing left. That means if you want to go back, you have the other key pointing down. That this key talks about redo, and you have this other one pointing downwards with a dash under it. Has to do with downloading into your phone. If you tap on it, it will process save your image to maybe your Facebook Messenger and Facebook app, email, Gmail, and other platforms that supports Canva. You can do that. So now this other arrow sign gives you the plus sign you find here gives you at the bottom right, gives you more functionality. When you tap on it, you will see the text functionality, image functionality, video functionality, sticker functionality, illustration, template, logos, and pages. So we'll just walk through one by one to see how it looks like. When you tap on the text functionality, you will see different text that you can use for your work. You see other tools, and the first tool here has to do with transparency. You can make it transparent. The other tool has to do with sending it backwards. Now it is behind the text. It is now behind the text, so the text is on it. And the other tool has to do with sending it forward. Now it is on the text. Let me increase the transparency. Can you see it is on the text? When I tap on this other icon, it's now behind the text. So that is that for image 2. Now if you want to change the background image, you don't want to have a default color as the background. Once you tap on the background and this selection sign comes on it, you can decide to go to images. When you click on images, Canva gives you so many images uploaded on the platform. Now some of these images are free and some of them are paid. So when you use a paid one, they will let you know that it is paid, and you can decide to search an image like then the next icon you see here is your sticker. When you tap on it, it will give you different kinds of emoji, different kinds of this. Wow, now I got it from the stickers. So this is our design that we are working on. So remember, I'm trying to walk you through the tools that Canva has. So when you click on it, on the sticker, you see different stickers, and you can decide to search for a sticker, maybe love. Let's see if there will be any sticker under the category love. You can decide to search for any sticker. Okay, there is no category. Let's see. And or maybe my network is bad. It's still searching. I have a bad network. So but